HSPC, high security number plate, people have to wait for hours. I am aware of the problem. I am arriving at some solution. In fact, from very first day, I had proposed to my director. I have spoken to Secretary Transport now to send the file immediately. I am going to give a option to the people. If you go to RTO, I think the number plate it costs around 300. With additional payment of say 100 rupees, I want to give it to the dealers, private dealer. So you don't have to waste time. You go fix a plate and you go. In RTO what happens? Because of the procedure involved, you have to go on time, take a token number, stand in the queue. If you don't, your turn does not come, you have to go again. How much are you going to spend for petrol, waste of energy, time? Instead, we are going to try and give it to the dealers directly. So they just go fix the number plate. Yes. Those who want for 300 rupees, go to RTO. Those who want it quickly done with a private dealer, go and you will get it for 400.
Slow process.
No, it is physically not. No, it is physically not possible, and we don't have that much of manpower. As you know, recruitments were not taking place. Existing vacancies have lapsed. We have shortage of staff in all RTO offices. So how will manage? This is an extra thing being done.